guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about 11 superstition. As you guys know, Caribbean people in general are very superstitious, but these are Jamaican superstition. I want you guys to comment in the comment section and tell me if you think there should be more added, or what are the superstition that you actually believe in and live by in your day-to-day life. So let's get started. It says Jamaicans are superstitious people who have long held age-old tradition as fact. They believe in a number of signs based on occurrences of nature, human error, or what they dream about, and that it's either a signal of doom or great things ahead. An itchy palm. Me hand me gonna scratch me, God know me hand me gonna scratch me. You guys know that song. When your palm is itchy, it means you are about to experience a financial windfall. Money is coming your way, according to Jamaicans. 2. A fidgety left eye. Me left eye a jump. This is well known to me, I say it all the time. Some Jamaicans believe when their left eye is jumping uncontrollably, it means you are the main topic of discussion somewhere and somebody is spreading gossip about you. Lizards and pregnancies. Most Jamaicans have a morbid fear of reptiles, and it's commonly held belief that if a lizard jumps on a woman, it is a sure sign that she is pregnant. So be careful of those lizards that you are already loath, ladies. Don't sweep after dark. Don't sweep at night. It causes crosses. Some Jamaicans will swear with their lives that if you sweep out your house after dark, it is a bad woman will invite bad luck in your life. 5. Beware when you sneeze. People sneeze in Jamaica. It is common for them to be teased that they need to pop up at home or check up on their spouses, as sneezing is a sign that they are being cheated on with either a bonaman or a matey. Missing a loop in your pants. This one I never heard about yet, so tell me if you heard about that one. Missing loops in your pants. The same applies when a man makes the mistake of missing out a loop in his pants when he's putting on a belt. It is believed that it's a signal that his significant other is not being faithful. The moth mystic. Some Jamaicans are deadly afraid of large moths. The insects are called duppy bat in Jamaican parlance and are said to be a sign that a duppy or ghost is in their midst. Washing your face with rice water or matter from a dog's eyes. It is also believed in some quarters that if you use the water in which rice was washed to wash your eyes, you will be able to see ghosts or duppies, which are believed to be invisible to the naked eye. The same applies to using the matters from a dog's eye. I've heard that one before. When a group of dogs begin to howl at night, it means that the Grim Reaper is arriving or has already arrived and someone is dead. Funerals and weddings in dreams. If you dream of a funeral, it means nuptial vows are due to be exchanged soon. If you dream of a funeral, it means nuptial vows are due to be exchanged soon. The opposite is also a common belief. If you dream of a wedding, it means someone is going to die. Wow. Number 11. Bird droppings. If you're lucky enough to be the recipient of a bird defecating on you, then a windfall is imminent. Money is on the way, as long as it's not drunk or doodoo. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what your superstitions are, and which one you believe and which one you don't believe, or if you don't believe any of them, why don't you believe any of them? If you live by any of them, why you live by them, and add some more superstitions in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.